Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop multiple wallpapers on Samsung. So, if you have multiple lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung phone and you want to stop them, then let me show you how you can easily do this. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop multiple wallpapers on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on Wallpaper and Style. Once you select Wallpaper and Style, you should see your lock screen wallpaper. Click on it. Now, once you click on lock screen, this is what you're going to see. Go ahead and click on Items. Then remove all the wallpapers you have in multiples, and then only leave the wallpaper you want to use. After that, click outside, and then you should see the number of items you have left. I only have one item. Go ahead and click on Done at top right to save changes. Then you should see changes apply to lock screen. Now, if you lock your Samsung phone screen, then you should see your multiple wallpaper is no longer inactive. So that is basically how to stop multiple wallpapers on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.